Ready?
Recording. Alright. This is a late 70s, early 80s GMP Rebel. Enya 50 engine. Circus Hobbies JR radio. For a 30-year-old helicopter, it actually flies really nice. I mean, this was where it was back in the day. Here it is, restored into nice condition again, in good condition. Nice and smooth. Nice and easy to set up too, being fixed pitch.
Not many left, right?
Very, very few of these left. Maybe a handful that are actually operational in the entire world. You know, these were the trainer helicopters back in the day, so they got real beat up real fast. Finding one in this good a shape is hard to find. It's hard to do. The engine runs real nice and smooth, runs cool. No real vibration at all. Heck, I can't get my new helicopter not to buzz. Little pirouette.
Nice slow head speed, right?
Yep. Nice easygoing head speed, especially for someone who wants something nice and easy to fly. They don't want to get into that hard 3D. It's a nice flying little helicopter.
What is that?